Although we thought we were done with the Freedom Convoy, meaning the anti-government people, anti-Trump, anti-vaccine, anti-mandate, anti-everything, extremists. This time we over here in from people from the Muslim community in Alberta, where one person, Esmahan, reports on Twitter of her encounter with the Ottawa truck rally people. And this happened at the Muslim Heritage Festival, which just happened yesterday. And she tweets, I was at the Muslim Heritage Festival today. The event was great, but was marred by Freedom Convoy folks marching through with the men in full Crusader gear. Event volunteers engaged in the man in polite conversation, but his presence was upsetting to many there for the simple reason that it illustrates that Islamophobia is alive and well in Canada, and even an event intended to be celebratory for Muslim communities can become a site of Islamophobia. Anyone who is not paying attention understands that to be Muslim in Alberta is a discomforting experience. The provincial government has undermined confidence in Alberta's Human Rights Commission by refusing to fire the chair of the commission who made the Islamophobia remarks, and somehow expects Muslims to have faith in an institution led by someone who has refused to apologize for his discriminatory views. Muslim hijab women have been attacked multiple times, and many visibly Muslim individuals are anxious about going to mosques or Muslim gatherings. I hate that now. What was a great event celebrating the diversity of Calgary, the Muslim community, was tarnished like this, and I hate that I'm drawing attention to it, but if we don't recognize the problem, we can't fix it. It was shocking and upsetting. I'm no Crusader scholar, but I think most people have enough of the understanding of to recognize the costume signal nothing good, especially in a crowd of Muslims. And also, Esmahan says that some people who were likely part of those people were taking videos. And it's dead obvious that these people also are racist as well. Again, not to forget that those people were waving when they were in Ottawa the Nazi flag, and also the Confederate flag, which generally used in the Civil War. USA people know which flag that is. And there's also the offensive Gadsden flag. Although that's not familiar to everybody. So this is also a form of racism over there. And this is also an action of xenophobia as well. Because they can't accept that there are people of the Muslim community who, and Canada is multilingual and multi-ethnic culture. country made by different races and cultural backgrounds. And some people they just can't accept that. There are some people from different cultural backgrounds, and there are people like these racists who have a problem with these. Yet there is a person who made Alberta's Human Rights Commission. Yet he is also a racist, and also the fact that women are attacked and even the Muslim community even afraid of going to mosques. And this was like an event for their diversity. Now they wouldn't do this to like a black person doing a diversity, or the LGBT people, but they will pick on Asians and Muslims, as we have seen. And of course, not everyone from that truck rally is a racist, but there are just some people. The fact that they chose to be there shows and ruined the event that was supposed to be about the Muslim community. They're oh. And of course, there would be people who support the Muslim community. And there's just some people who still think Muslim people are terrorists. And it's unfortunate that this kind of discrimination still exists. But if we can't talk about something like this, we cannot stay silent. And just about anyone who is from a different cultural background, who isn't white, will understand having to deal with racism sometime in their life. And the fact that they're still these people are still at it. Most all of coronavirus mandates got lifted. You got to travel. You got to interact with people. You're not forced to get vaccinated. Why are they still at it? And this is why we need to help us speak up and support the Muslim community over here in Canada as well. And also, some people could be of different religious backgrounds. And anyone who isn't Christian, and then some Muslim people are in different religious backgrounds, and also other people would have attacked them for that. Oh, let's speak up, call these people out, and anyone who trusts supports these truck rally people, the so-called freedom convoy. They are, or anyone who is there is a bad person, and unfortunately, the Muslim community had to suffer because of this. And the next time the Muslim community hold a festival, they need to be left alone. And these so-called freedom people need to be put to a stop. And unfortunately, the Tamara Lynch, she actually got released from jail. So that is unfortunate news. Although she was one of the leaders over in Ottawa, so she deserves to be locked up. And anyone who supports that movement is a bad person. Help speak up. And if we really want equality, we can't stay silent. We need to speak up about it.